Hello everyone. In the video, we are going to cover 5 best tripods for DSLR cameras in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our best pick is Amazon Basics Lightweight Tripod. The Amazon Basics range is immensely popular. Learning from the products that sell well on its own site, Amazon attempts to borrow from and improve on the design of popular products, then undercut them in price. At the top of the Amazon Basics Lightweight Tripod, 2 bubble levels ensure you're lining up your shot correctly. The 3-way head allows for tilt and swivel motion, and the pan handle delivers a relatively fluid and smooth operation. With an included carrying bag, the Amazon Basics Lightweight Tripod is excellent value for money and should be at the top of your shopping list if you need a basic tripod at a great price for travel or home use. Number 2. Our second best pick is Manfrotto MTPIXI Mini Tripod. This mini tripod is the tabletop DSLR tripod that's currently sitting in my camera bag. Weighing in at less than a paperback book and taking up even less space, the MTPIXI is perfect for getting a quick stabilized shot. It's important to support the weight of your camera while pressing the button since everything effectively goes from stable to 100% loose. There's no incremental locking stage like there is with a twist mechanism. The legs of the MTPIXI Mini Tripod are all the same shape and length but move independently. To close them, it's as simple as grabbing the tripod near the base of the ball head and closing your fist. There's not much to the MTPIXI, but everything is perfectly designed and implemented. It's also a cheap DSLR tripod, costing much less than competitors. Number 3. Our third best pick is the K&AMP F Concept DSLR Tripod. If you're looking for the best tripod for macro photography, this DSLR tripod should definitely be on your radar. Before we jump right to its unique ability to get extra close to your subject for macro photography, let's start at the top with ball head. At 28 mm, 1.1, the ball/socket diameter is larger than some other tripods, meaning more stability and strength when your camera is locked in place at an angle. The 3 legs joints are released via quick flip leg locks, ideal for one-handed operation. While some photographers prefer the twist leg locks, which can also be operated with one hand, I prefer the flip locks on the K&AMP F Concept DSLR tripod, especially in cold weather when the twisting motion can be harder. This concept is an affordable DSLR tripod that ticks all the right boxes in terms of design and features. The tripod comes with a shoulder bag, ball head bag and Allen key. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is the Joby GP3 GorillaPod SLR-Zoom Flexible Tripod. Manufactured out of medical-grade Japanese ABS plastic, stainless steel, and German TPE rubber, the Joby GorillaPod is a high-quality product that's built to last. The basic idea of having a tripod whose legs can be flexed, twisted and bend around itself is so you can secure it to places that traditional tripods can't be secured: tree branches, table legs, street poles, your own arm, basically anything that's narrow enough. With 10 movable leg joints on each leg covered in grippy rubber, it wraps around objects securely, relying on the stiffness between each joint to stay put. If you want to save some money and have a lighter entry-level DSLR camera setup, the GorillaPod Hybrid is a good option, with its maximum load-bearing capacity of 1 kg, 2 pounds. It's also a great tripod for iPhone photography. Incidentally, if you want to see an innovative way to store a phone stand actually inside a tripod leg, check out the new Peak Design tripod. On the topic of price, the GorillaPod has traditionally been at the more expensive end of the flexible tripod range. This is largely justifiable, due to the high-quality parts used in its production. See the latest price of the SLR-Zoom and other models here. There's a GorillaPod to suit whatever camera you own, and here lies most of the confusion when choosing which one to invest in first. Due to their strength and flexibility in use, the GorillaPods in the range actually overlap each other, making the choice somewhat difficult at times. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Vanguard Alta Pro 263 AP Tripod. Vanguard is a global company that has been creating high-quality products for photographers and outdoor enthusiasts for over 30 years. They've made a name for themselves in the tripod industry for offering well-designed, innovative products for both pros and amateur photographers, all at an affordable price. It isn't what I'd call a cheap DSLR tripod, but at around $160, see latest price here, you're getting one of the most versatile, well-built tripods I've ever used. As the reviewer in the video below says, it's strange to get excited about a tripod for camera use, but this one certainly ticks all the right boxes. With the pan head on the Alta Pro, you twist the grip handles to quickly loosen it, then pan and tilt the head in order to find the best camera angle for your shot, then twist the grips the other way to lock everything securely in place. If it's a level shot you're looking for, 3 bubble levels on the X, Y, and Z axes help you make sure the pan head is perfectly aligned. Everything feels wonderfully high quality in its movement and secure in its locking, with the panning feature allowing you to rotate your camera 360 degrees over a silky smooth track, ideal for videographers or photographers panning a shot. The precise movement is also ideal for stitched panoramas. This means that you can position your camera to look directly down on a subject, which is particularly useful for styling and shooting flat lays. There's also a hook on the other end of the central column so you can hang a counterweight, such as your camera bag or whatever you have at hand. The aluminum alloy legs on the Alta Pro 263 AP offer 3 different angles, for 25 degrees, 50 degrees, and 80 degrees settings. The release mechanism for this is controlled via a button on the sides of the legs. Splaying the legs completely and positioning the central column parallel to the floor allows you to get even closer to your subject, ideal for close-up macro photography. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.